guys, welcome to House of Kalakriti. Hope you guys are doing good. In today's video, I will show you my new and stylish renter-friendly Indian kitchen tour with latest space-saving organizers. If you are new to House of Kalakriti, then please subscribe my channel, and if you already subscribe my channel, thank you so much. You can also follow me over the Instagram. Here is my link shruti.bhatnagar.40. Now let's quickly get into this video. You can now leave your house without having to worry about a gas leak or worse, setting your house on fire. This electric stove only heats a particular area that is necessary for cooking. This automatic ignite gas stove are safer and easier to use. If you have kids around, always give first preference to electric gas stoves. You only need to press the power on button and twist the knob on the oven to set the burners on fire. It transmits the heat in a more controlled way and reduces the risk of burns and consider very safe. This stainless steel cladding is a game changer. It has protected my cooktop area to be clean and hygienic. I have plenty of space over my chimney, which I have utilized for placing my scissors, egg beaters, tree stainers, and also added some fresh green plants to beautify this space. Utilized my under the sink space by installing the RO, which is quite comfortable and did not look bad at all. One side has been used for wall mounting the dustbin and the other side has been used for my keeping the daily usage of medicines. And this is my RO drinking water outlet, from where I can easily grab a glass of water. Since I have placed my medicine organizer here, I have never forgotten taking my medicines. Now moving ahead, here I have installed the electric geyser for hot water, and very cleverly I have used this little wooden plank space for keeping my cleaning, detergent, soap, brushes, scrubbers, everything at one place. We might not realize it, but our small kitchen has great potential for extra space. Take a look at few of my favorite small kitchen ideas. These small secrets will have you cooking up a storm in no time. I hope many of us will be agree on this, that dishwasher is much more affordable than having a maid in the house. Yes, of course, you will free up the time. Life is busy and fast-paced enough without spending time washing up your pots and pans. If you are struggling with small space in cabinets or there is a space crunch, you can use this hack. It is simply a step-up organizer, which is very useful for keeping the long and small bottles or the spice jars. You can also place the aluminium foil the way I placed it. Use this technique in your small kitchen and find the best results. I always focused on maximum space utilization in the cabinet. So here it comes my another amazing cabinet organizer where you can keep your tissue roll, small coffee mugs, and also some of your crockery items as well. It is quite spacious, very useful, very durable as well. I will share the link in the description box. Let me share one more hack. I have placed the microwave grill rack, which was of no use to me. I have used it here for storing my big and small bowls. It is multifunctional and very good space organizer. I have utilized the vertical space in one go by opting the inbuilt microwave and OTG. Now no more cluttered wires and cluttered countertops. In this way, your small kitchen looks more spacious and clutter-free as well. So below this panel, I kept all my electric appliances, baking tools, microwave tools, everything in this cupboard at one go. I can easily take out and it is very handy as well. An easy way to keep clutter off limited countertop space is with easy to access the storage. For small kitchen ideas, we love installing open shelves, floating shelves, or the cabinet hanging for the mugs. The top shelf is longer to accommodate my teacups. A magnetic strip on my fridge holds the spice jars within the reach of the prep space. Countertops crowded with cookware and collectible overwhelm a small kitchen and cramp workspace. To enlarge the room, clear off your counters, windowsills and cabinet tops and stash as much as you can behind the closed doors. To take the cluttering further, opt for minimalist European style cabinetry with sleek flat panel doors. Here I have used my empty wall to simplify my routine by creating an organized coffee and tea station in my kitchen. Try to keep the drink station close to the sink. The closer you are, the water supply you need, the easier it will be. You will find huge collection of my coffee and tea mugs as well. This 3-level shelf is really amazing. I will share the link in the description box. A well-organized kitchen makes it much easier to work and cook with peaceful mind. Having Kitchen Trolley lets you organize your food essentials and remove the clutter from the kitchen. From storing edibles to kitchen utensils, trolleys are a great fit to fulfill your organizing needs, taking less space and providing more storage. It is an important feature that makes them a great asset. Not only that, trolleys are also easy to move around with their rolling wheels. That makes the work even easier. To help you find the best kitchen trolleys, I am sharing the link in the description box. Moreover, this stainless steel trolley will never catch the rust. Trolleys are something that store inside the platform, at times get in touch with the water as well. Guys, really enjoyed this video. If yes, then don't forget to hit the like button and do comment as well. So see you guys in my next video. Bye bye, take care, have a great day.